Hey ladies, it's Krista here, and I'm here today with a video. I want to walk you through start to finish exactly how I set up a landing page to collect names and email addresses if I want to configure ManyChat. So I just finished creating a video that is going to lead to where's my download here? I'm going to get you. It is how to create your own brand voice guide and upload it to Chat GPT. So this is what I want to offer as the free download. I'm doing this for you guys, because as part of the training, but I know that I can probably also use this to get some more names and email addresses. So this is my process walking from right from the beginning, knowing that I use Beaver Builder and WordPress and Kit. This is exactly how I would do this. And I'm actually going to do it not on my main website, but on a different website to show you how this works. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here to the classroom and come down to the website course. And in the extras course, there is a landing page tutorial kit. And this download, you need this. So first thing you have to do is you have to download this. Okay. So I just want you to download this. You're not going to be able to open it, see it. You don't have to worry about that. If you have a WordPress website, this is going to work for you, and you have Beaver Builder. So this is only if you have a WordPress website using Beaver Builder, like that I've shown you how to do, that this is going to work. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come into your WordPress website. So this is a different website. This is not my Activator Awesome website. This is my podcast website. I'm going to come into the dashboard. So I'm just going to hover over the name up here and come into the dashboard. I'm going to come down to Tools and Import. And then I want to press install now in WordPress. I'm not installing WordPress. WordPress is already installed here. This is just how you import different files. So I'm going to click install now. And then at the top, I'm going to click run importer. If the importer was already installed, you just click run importer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to choose that file. So I'm going to hit choose file, and in my downloads folder, here it is here. This is the file, and I'm just going to click open. And then I'm going to click upload file and import. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign this to myself as a user. Okay, so I'm just going to select that. I'm going to check this box that says download and import file attachments and then hit submit. Basically what I'm doing is I'm giving you this page here exactly as it is. So this is a lead page. This is where I would send traffic. I just have to press stop here. This is a lead page. This is where I would send traffic from Instagram using ManyChat to get people's names and email addresses. I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up. So this is the page that's on my website, and that file that you downloaded over here, that is this file. And now we have gone ahead and we have uploaded it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page here. We're going to hit plus new, and we're going to hit page. And I'm just going to do, let's do Chat GPT. Okay. You can call it whatever you want. You want it to be clear what this is. So it's Chat GPT brand, or let's do brand voice. There we go. And I'm going to change the template right here from default template down here. It's going to open up. I'm going to change this little drop down to no header footer. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing. And I'm going to press publish and publish. Then I can launch Beaver Builder. Okay, page is here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come into templates, and we're going to change this from the drop down to landing pages to save templates. And then you've got kit landing pages, all capital letters here. I'm just going to literally click on that. Voila, now this is here. Now what we need to do is configure this. So this is going to be, I'm just going to click in here. Instead of saying join the list, it's going to be get the brand voice guide. Save. I might make that a little bit longer just so it's all on one line. And then instead of saying all this, what I'm going to do is So I just added a little bit of information that is going to make it sexy for the person who wants to download it. So get the brand voice guide. Do you want to make sure that ChatGPT gives you prompts that sound like you wrote it and not AI? You need to upload your brand voice guide. This swipe file contains the exact prompt I use in my own account, and then I have to configure this. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm just going to press done and publish for just a second, because what I actually need to do is I need to upload my file into my media library here. So I'm just going to hit plus new media, and I'm going to get that download, which is right here, how to develop your brand voice. And I'm going to upload this over here. I'm just going to drag the file over. It's a PDF. I'm just going to drag it here, and I'm going to copy this URL. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to that page, which was brand voice right there. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to go over to Kit, because I need to do this. So I'm going to come over to Kit. I'm already logged in, and I'm going to go under Grow Landing Pages and Forms. I'm going to show you how I would do this right from the beginning. So I'm going to hit plus Create New over here on the right, Form, and I'm going to do Inline, and I am going to choose Claire. Very, very basic. So just hit Choose here, and I'm going to change the name of it right up at the top right away, and we're going to call this Brand Voice ChatGPT. Okay, and then I'm just going to click down here to apply that. I need to also get the name in here. So I'm going to hit this little plus right here, and that's going to add another box. And what I have to do is just kind of click here. And then over here, I can come down and choose first name. And then I'm going to reverse these. So I actually want first name to be on the left. So I'm just going to find the little, see these three lines that show up at the top or at the left-hand side. I'm just going to grab it and pull it over there. That's done. I'm going to come down here, and I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to remove this. I have upgraded Kit, so I don't need to have this here. So I'm just going to remove that. If you don't have to worry about that. It's just a little something extra that I do. And then I'm going to change the words on this to be send me the goods. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change that right here. Lock in one of my brand colors. Then what I need to do is I need to go up into the settings up here at the top. And instead of success message, I want redirect to an external page. And this is where I'm going to paste that PDF link that I had just grabbed from the back end of the media library. If you don't have it anymore because you did something else, here's how you get it. You come back to your website, this website, where is it here? You're going to come into your dashboard. You're going to come into your media library. My PDF is right here. I'm going to click on that. This is the URL. So all I have to do is click copy to clipboard, and it's the same link. Okay. So there's how you get your link. Then all I'm going to do is come down to incentive, and I am going to turn off incentive email. I do not want people to have to subscribe before they get this. I want them to get it right away because I know they're going to love this. All right. This is really important for me to do. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to press save. Okay, everything's done. Now all I have to do is go ahead and press publish and copy this code and come back to my website and come back to the brand voice page, which is here, and open up this page and click in here and delete this and paste in the new content. Press save. It's not going to look like anything right away, but I'm going to hit done and publish and refresh. Why didn't that happen? Save. Oh, I didn't save it first. There you go. I think I have to save it. Now if I come over and hit refresh, there you go. Yeah, I hadn't pressed save. So you got to press save and then publish. Hey ladies, there's one thing I forgot to show you how to do, and that is to change the background photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Beaver Builder. This is kind of like I'm coming back after I've done the video because I forgot. You're going to hover over the row. Now, in this case, it's going to be at the bottom. It's not going to show up at the top because it is the whole page. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the little wrench and where it says row settings. You're going to scroll down to where it says photo, and you're going to remove the photo that's there, and then you're going to select another photo. And this is where you're going to have to find a photo. Let me just see what I have really quickly that I could upload here. Let's see my edited. Why are they not there? Okay. Well, then let's go in here and pick something quickly. I can use this one. Rename this first before you upload it. So if it's going to be this image, let's just open it and duplicate it. And this is going to be, I'm not going to take any, okay, so this is going to be get your brand voice guide for Chat GPT at how can this be easy, oops, easy.com with Krista Smith. So it's just make sure you have the name, make sure you have the website. Why not? Why not? I might have. Okay, so let me try it this way then. What if I go File, Save? All right, there. That's what you have to use, File, Save first. So get the brand voice guide for Chat GPT with Krista Smith. How can this be easy.com? And then hit save. All right, so now this is saved. I can close this, close this. It's at the top. I can take this and just upload it into my media library by going click, boom, drop it. And then just take everything that is in the title field and copy it, put it in the alt text field, put it in the description field, leave the caption field blank, and click select photo. If I want to change the color that's on the image, if I want to change, like maybe like my face is in this one. So maybe what I want to do is reverse everything. So what I could do is just go into the columns and hit move, whoops, and hit move column like this. Oops, where did it go? Column, move column, and I could literally drag it on this side, and then that's going to kind of put that stuff over there a little bit. I can also, if I wanted to, take this and make it smaller. Yeah, there, that sort of works. I like that. I also might want to change where the photo is. So to change where the photo is, I'm going to go back into those row settings right here. And I'm going to scroll down to where the photo is. And what I am going to do is, let's change it from parallax. Okay, so let's go from parallax to photo. Let's do that. And then I'm going to change it again. So I have to select that photo again, because this is going to give me better control. Oh yeah, way better control, because now it's in the center. So I can change it from center, center, center top, center bottom. Maybe I want it like center, like left center, like that. Maybe I want right center so that there's more. No, I think center is probably going to be the best. I'm kind of looking at what's underneath it. But that's how you control that. So just change it from parallax to background photo. And then if you wanted to, we could even add a little bit of padding to the top and the bottom of this. So again, I'm going to go back into the row settings, hit the advanced tab, and let's add like maybe 100 on the top and then 100 on the bottom. I know it's top because I can see there's a little bit of a broader line on the top, and this is the bottom. This is right and this is left. And I'm just going to leave that at 20. So I'm going to do 100, 20, 120, just in the padding, not in the margin, and hit save. Yeah, I like that. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to hit done and publish. So that's going to change your background photo if you want to change what's there. All right, let's go back to the regularly scheduled program. And now when I put in my email address here, I'll put in an old one that I have and hit send me the goods. Automatically, I'm redirected to the page with the whole swipe file on it, which is exactly what I want. So that is how I would do this if I had a WordPress website with Beaver Builder and Kit. Now, I'm also going to do a second video. If you do not have a WordPress website and it's not easy for you to build a page like this, like I did this in like 5-6 minutes. If it's not easy for you to do that, you can also just use Kit. And I'm going to do a separate video showing you how to do that. All right, stay tuned. Cheers.